Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. In today's exercise we will do some data entry and simple math in Excel. We need to do multiplications of two numbers. Firstly, we need to draw both tables. When selecting the table cells, we leave the totals outside and we apply the all borders formatting from the home ribbon. Then we will select the top row of each table and apply a grey fill color for the headings. Once the tables are ready, we can start the data entry task, inputting the numbers on the left text box inside our tables. We do one column at the time. We enter the first number. We press enter and the cursor will move to the next row, ready to input the next number. Finish the first column, we move to the second one. We enter the top number and press enter to enter the next one, and so on. We will complete both tables before starting to work on formulas. Excellent! We are ready now. We start the formula with equal. We click on the first number, press times, click on the second number and finish the formula with enter. To practice and get faster, we can do the same for all rows. Then we calculate the total using the auto sum, clicking on auto sum icon, selecting the column of number and pressing enter to finalize the formula. If you are confident enough, you can copy and paste the first formula to the whole column, or apply the formula dragging down the fill handle in both tables. You can also do the total writing the formula, equal, sum, open brackets, select the column of numbers and press enter. There you go. Don't forget to save your work. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.